how to enable comments on your post notifications on SoundCloud mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable comments on your post notifications on SoundCloud mobile. First then open SoundCloud and here you will find this one, and then click on your profile in the top corner, and here you will find settings, and then click notifications and scroll down. Here you will find this one, comments on your post, and if you want to enable it, all you need to do is just click on it and go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.